So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba makita ang total spend sa ating Shopee sa loob ng 6 months. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Shopee app. And then, pagka-open guys, pumunta lang tayo sa pinakang profile or me ng ating account. So, tap nyo lang guys itong me. And ayan, andito na tayo sa pinakang profile. So, para makita yung ating total spends, kung magkano na nga ba yung na-order natin dito sa Shopee. So, dito lang yun guys. Tap nyo lang and punta kayo dito sa section ng more activities. And then, tap nyo lang dito yung inyong Shopee loyalty. So, tap nyo lang. And ayan guys, dito lalabas na yung inyong Shopee loyalty. So dito, since naka-platinum, ang total spend ko na is, nakalagay dito, 28,380 simula nung January 2026. Kasi guys, every 6 month, nagre-refresh si Shopee ng total spend and then ng loyalty membership nila. So kapag hindi nyo na-meet, yung total orders or yung total spends na kailangan nila dun sa loyalty membership, mag-iiba yung inyong membership loyalty. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo dito, current order ko guys is nakaka-total of 68 orders na ako simula ng January, over 30. And dito naman guys is nakaka-spend na ako ng 28K, over 30,000. So, progress will be refreshed on June 30, 2026. So, hanggang June 2026 guys, makikita nyo yung total spend niyo for the last 6 months. So, ito guys is January to June. And then after nun, June to December. So, ganun mag-refresh si Shopee ng inyong total spend sa kanila. So, kung hindi nyo to guys na-maintain yung kanilang requirements para sa Platinum membership or sa Silver or Gold, made-demote kayo ng membership. So, kung hindi ko na-meet to guys is magiging Gold na lang siya or magiging Silver and pwede ding Classic. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba makita ang total spends natin sa Shopee sa loob ng 6 months. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night